Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn Splunk Easy. In today's video, we're going to dive into installing Splunk on Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. If you've ever wanted to run Splunk on a Linux environment from your Windows machine, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure you've got WSL set up on your Windows machine. If you don't, check out our previous video on setting up WSL by clicking the card in the top right corner. Alright, let's move on. First things first, let's make sure Ubuntu in WSL is up and running. Open the Ubuntu app. Once the terminal is open, enter sudo su- and enter your password when prompted to switch to the root user to ensure we have the necessary permissions for the installation. Now that we are logged in as the root user, let's update our package lists using command sudo apt update. Change to the /opt directory and download the Splunk Enterprise package. To get the package, first log in to the Splunk website. Then select the Products drop-down and under Platform, choose Splunk Enterprise. Next, select the free trial option, choose Linux, and copy the wget link for the .deb file. Return to the terminal, paste the link, and press Enter. This will download the Splunk Enterprise.deb package to the /opt directory. Once the download is complete, install the package using the dpkg command. Enter dpkg-i package name and click Enter. This will install Splunk Enterprise package in Ubuntu. Once the installation is complete, switch to the Splunk user by running the command sudo su-splunk. Next, navigate to the /opt/splunk/bin directory by using the cd command. In this directory, start Splunk by entering ./splunk, start --. Accept -license. You will be prompted to set a username and password. Follow the instructions provided in the terminal and enter credentials. After configuring the credentials, Splunk will start and be accessible via web port 8000. Once you have started Splunk, open your web browser and type localhost :8000 into the address bar, then press Enter. This will take you to the login page of the Splunk web interface. Enter the username and password that you set up during the installation process when you accepted the Splunk license agreement. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will now be able to access the Splunk interface. Congratulations! Splunk is now successfully running on Windows Subsystem for Linux. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.